Alright, part 2 of this video. I promise to just keep it at 2 videos. Alright, so we already looked through start here and then content. And as we were going along, you may have noticed, where are we, that each of these folders have due dates associated with them. So for example, 1.1, you can see it's due March 24th. So every, the 1.1 assignments, which usually there's just one per section. So just this 1.1 Newton assignment, it would be due to the 24th, which is tomorrow. Okay. So because I put dates on each of those folders and also each of the discussion boards, that means under start here and then calendar, it makes a little calendar for you to keep track of everything. So for today, you have to introduce yourself under the discussion board. Tomorrow 1.1 is due. And then I told you it speeds up after that, right? 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 are all due the 25th. So don't just do 1.1 right now, just keep on going, okay? And so this links into your homework, which is awesome. Or into your calendar, sorry. All of your homework is linked into your calendar, so you can keep track of the dates as we're going along, okay? All right, so that was start here. Under assignments, all you really have is the discussions over here. Yeah, there's no Dropbox assignments, no checklist, no quizzes, so don't worry about that part. And progress. Progress, under here you'll see your attendance and your grades. I don't know what awards is. So attendance, you can keep track of your own attendance. Grades, you can see your calculated final grade and then all of the individual grades as we're going along. Okay? And that's about it. You can get to your email in here. If you just go, I just clicked on the York Technical College in the top left, then it'll bring you to all of your courses. And then on the right hand side, you have all of your Office 365 stuff. So here's your email, here's your calendar, here's your OneDrive to store documents, and then all of your other courses, or all the courses that you're currently in, are over here on the left hand side. Okay. You can pin it to make sure that it stays up there. I just unpinned it, right? So if you find your course, then you can pin it and make sure that you don't lose track of it. Hi. So welcome. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully I covered everything you need to know. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, please send me an email, or you can talk with Julia on your SI sessions. So remember, you need to attend the SI sessions on time. For the class stuff, that's going by their calendar, right? Print that off and cross everything off so you can all get A's in this course this semester, okay? Good luck. I'll talk to you soon.